All right. This right here is just a quick down and dirty video proof of life of a couple of engines that I just finished here. Somebody sent me an SDP40F for the first time in a while. So this is the first one that I've had an opportunity to take and install one of the new ESU 58741 Kato USA boards in. Keep in mind that this board is reversed in this engine, so what is front and rear are reversed in there, so wouldn't change that in settings. Basically, before I was using a V5 micro and just tapping into the board, but this is much easier. Basically, that's an SDP40F frame, and that's had the rear section machined out on it, so a speaker could drop right in there, and then couple that with this decoder, fits right on there. And this customer had also wanted operating flashing ditch lights on their SDP40F. They do some proto freelancing, so hey, whatever. They did actually cut in the ditch light casings and what have you. I just ran little SO5 or 0504 warm LEDs to them and just wired it up. So, without further ado, I'm just going to fire this guy up. Now we're going to start by hitting it's got startup, some headlights, and of course the ditch lights in question. I believe are on 6. Yeah, those are on 6, and then if I was to blow the horn, they alternate. And give me 1 second here. Alright, so basically F6 is the ditch lights, which when the horn blows, go. Run this around a couple laps and see how it does. So there we go, an SDP40F with ESU LokSound installed and alternating ditch lights. I'll turn those off too. And since we're here, we will pause this and reset up with that P42 real fast. Alright, the P42s I've covered before, so I'm not going to go too far in depth with it. But essentially this basically has a V5 micro, one of these guys back here, cut and spliced into the factory light board, and then there's a sugarcube speaker back here, and part of the frame is machined. Let's see if I got a frame that's easy to get. Well, here's one that's not cut out. But basically this section gets machined out. Let's see if we can actually see what I'm talking about, huh? This rear section gets machined out, and a ESU 11x15 sugarcube gets installed in there. I got a couple of other videos of these on there, so I'm not going to rehash that, but we can fire that guy up. And And if you wanted a P42 running in screamer mode the whole time with the HEP revved up, you'd hit F26 on a controller. This is an ancient Digitrax controller here, which doesn't have that option on it, so we'll just go with that. And there you go. N-scale Kato P42 with ESU LokSound V5 micro installed. Anywho, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.